Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elroy Kanye and I'm going to be taking you through a course on programming with Rust. Rust is a modern statically typed programming language that emphasizes a lot on performance and safety. It also comes as some sort of a replacement for programming languages like C and C++, with new features that we're going to explore throughout this course. This course is actually for anyone who has any experience or no experience in programming at all. Regardless of your background or your skill sets, this is for you. So if you feel like you want to just learn this to have something fun to play with, you can go ahead. Or if you want to use this to build applications, then you can go ahead. At the end of this course, you should be able to build robust applications using the Rust programming language. And because this is going to be a beginner series, we are going to keep it simple. Next thing that we're going to be doing is getting the requirements for this course. And this includes a PC, because obviously you need to have one so you can code. And the next thing we'll be getting is a good internet connection, though that's going to really much depend on you. After that, we're going to get the Rust compiler, which we're going to use to compile our programs that we write in Rust. Next we'll be getting is an IDE. An example is one like VS Code, IntelliJ, or C Lion. But I'm going to prefer that we use VS Code for this course. But if you feel comfortable using something apart from it, then please go ahead. Also, we'll be getting a package manager for Rust called Cargo. While we'll be getting these requirements, I'll be explaining anything that I see that is going to be needful for you to understand while we are working with Rust. See you in the next videos, guys. Thank you very much.